한국어가 어떻게 들려요?
I think it's a really expressive language.
Yeah, it's really cute.
It's smooth.
네.
안녕하세요. I feel like Korean is the first language that even if you don't know the language, when you hear it, it sounds very smart and it sounds very expressive. And I mean by that like if anyone speak it and you don't know, you'll understand anyway because it's the right intonations and the right words for everything. And I feel like the Korean language is very vast when someone speak it, so this is what makes me really want to learn it.
Well, it sounds great. It sounds like there's a lot of consonants, and it's really cool actually. So yeah, I really like that. It's kind of similar to French in some ways, but yeah, it's like the words are different, and this is really cool to find some resemblances between like words and stuff. So yeah.
한국어가 어떻게 들려요?
어렵지만 재밌어요.
예쁘게 예쁘게 들려요.
한국어가 어떻게 들려요?
좁게 넓고 말하는 게 재밌어요.
한국을 왜 좋아해요?
매일 하루 내내 할 게 많아요. 음식하고 술 가격이 안 비싸고 맛있어요. 문화에도 흥미로워요.